Question 1. Which of the following represents the correct sequence of structural organization from simplest to most complex? Chemical to cellular to tissue to organ to system to organismal. Cellular to chemical to tissue to system to organ to organismal. Chemical to tissue to cellular to organ to system to organismal, or organ to tissue to cellular to chemical to system to organismal. The correct answer is option A. The correct order from simplest to most complex is chemical, cellular, tissue, organ, system, organismal. Question 2. Which system is primarily responsible for hormone production and regulation of body processes? Nervous system, endocrine system, cardiovascular system, or lymphatic system? The correct answer is option B. The endocrine system produces hormones that regulate metabolism, growth, reproduction, and homeostasis. Question 3. The heart, blood vessels, and blood are components of which body system? Respiratory system, lymphatic system, cardiovascular system, or urinary system? The correct answer is option C. The cardiovascular system consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood, responsible for circulating oxygen, nutrients, and wastes. Question 4. Which level of structural organization is defined as a group of similar cells working together to perform a specific function? Organ level, tissue level, cellular level, or system level? The correct answer is option B. Tissues are groups of similar cells that perform a common function, such as epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous tissues. Question 5. The skin, hair, nails, and sweat glands belong to which system? Skeletal system, muscular system, integumentary system, or lymphatic system? The correct answer is option C. The integumentary system includes the skin and its accessory structures, providing protection, sensation, and temperature regulation. Question 6. Which system is responsible for gas exchange, supplying oxygen to the blood and removing carbon dioxide? Cardiovascular system, respiratory system, digestive system, or urinary system? The correct answer is option B. The respiratory system facilitates gas exchange, bringing oxygen into the body and eliminating carbon dioxide. Question 7. At which level of structural organization do two or more different tissue types combine to perform a specific function? Cellular level, tissue level, organ level, or system level? The correct answer is option C. An organ is composed of two or more tissue types working together to perform specific functions, such as the heart, liver, or kidneys. Question 8. The brain, spinal cord, and nerves are components of which system? Endocrine system, cardiovascular system, nervous system, or muscular system? The correct answer is option C. The nervous system controls and coordinates body activities through electrical signals transmitted via the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Question 9. Which system provides support, protects internal organs, and serves as a site for blood cell production? Muscular system, skeletal system, integumentary system, or lymphatic system? The correct answer is option B. The skeletal system provides structural support, protects organs, and produces blood cells in the bone marrow. Question 10. The stomach, intestines, liver, and pancreas are part of which system? Respiratory system, urinary system, digestive system, or endocrine system? The correct answer is option C. The digestive system breaks down food, absorbs nutrients, and eliminates waste products. Question 11. Which system is responsible for producing movement, maintaining posture, and generating body heat? Skeletal system, nervous system, muscular system, or cardiovascular system? The correct answer is option C. The muscular system enables movement, maintains posture, and produces heat through muscle contractions. Question 12. The kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra belong to which system? Reproductive system, digestive system, urinary system, or lymphatic system? The correct answer is option C. The urinary system filters blood, removes waste products, and maintains fluid and electrolyte balance. Question 13. Which level of structural organization includes all systems working together to maintain life? Organ level, system level, organismal level, or cellular level? The correct answer is option C. The organismal level represents the sum total of all structural levels working together to sustain life in a living being. Question 14. The spleen, lymph nodes, lymphatic vessels, and lymphocytes are components of which system? Cardiovascular system, immune system, or lymphatic system? Endocrine system or respiratory system? The correct answer is option B. The lymphatic system returns interstitial fluid to the blood and houses lymphocytes that defend against pathogens. Question 15. Which system is responsible for producing gametes and hormones essential for reproduction? Urinary system, endocrine system, reproductive system, or muscular system? The correct answer is option C. The reproductive system produces gametes, sperm and eggs, and hormones that regulate reproduction and sexual development. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.